Welcome to the Site Summary Report tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS Dev team. A Site Summary Report provides information about the timing of sampling at a site. It is a tool to help VGS users plan their sampling efforts.
Before generating a Site Summary Report, a site or folder must be selected. On the main toolbar, click Reports, General, then select Site Summary. The report preview window will then open. The Site Summary Report is organized by the database hierarchical structure. The folder path is listed in a heading, and the subfolder names are listed in bold under the heading. The report shows the site type, the last year sampling occurred at the site, and all of the years in which data was collected with their respective months.
At the site level, you can also access the Site Summary Report from the Reports menu in the Site window by clicking Reports, Site, then Site Summary. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.